Every single photo you upload has the secret identity, a hidden layer of data.
And get this, what's hiding inside can actually have a huge impact on your online success. So whether you're selling on Etsy or trying to rank on Google, your images matter a lot. And yeah, this goes for Shopify stores too, and even social sites like Pinterest. Okay, so what is the secret code? Well, it's called Exif data. Basically, it's a bunch of details that get embedded right into your image file. And I love this way of thinking about it. It's like your photo's digital fingerprint. So all that descriptive info gets attached directly to the image file itself.
Right, but why does any of this matter for getting found online? It's all about visibility.
Because this data, it's literally the key to unlocking some powerful image SEO. Google reads this data to understand your photo, which helps it rank higher. And on a site like Etsy, it helps your products get discovered way more easily. Photographers use it all the time to organize their work and slap on copyright info.
So what are we talking about here? Things like keywords, GPS location, even copyright details. And here is the best part. You're not stuck with it. You have complete control.
So, how can you actually edit this hidden data and boost your SEO? It's easy. You just use a special tool called an Exif editor, or sometimes an Injector. And the whole process is super simple. Just select your image, edit the data, and save. You're basically turning a generic image into one that's packed with search-friendly info. And just like that, your image becomes a powerful asset that's always working for you. So let's recap. Exif is that hidden data. It's vital for SEO, and you can edit it. Which brings us to the big question. Is your photo's hidden data really working for you?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.